Good afternoon, dear students. Let's start with trigonometry. Trigonometry. As I am starting with trigonometry, I think everybody knows regarding what is a right angle triangle. What is a right angle triangle? A triangle which has one angle should be equal to 90 degree. It is considered to be as a right angle triangle. Now, whenever you take a right angle triangle, the question arises: what are its base and what will be hypotenuse, what are its perpendicular side. Now, suppose this one is taken as a right angle triangle. I can say this to be as a hypotenuse, this to be as its base, and this to be as a perpendicular side. Okay, now whenever there is right angle triangle, you know that Pythagoras theorem always arises. Pythagoras theorem is easy as that. Pythagoras theorem says what? AC square, this angle AC square, is equal to AB square plus BC square. It's okay. Now we can say that it is equal hypotenuse square is equal to, suppose AB is perpendicular square plus what? Base square. Easy. Now coming to trigonometry, it sounds difficult, but it's not so difficult at point of time. It's simply regarding this base, hypotenuse and perpendicular side. We need to understand what is, suppose a triangle is given. It is a 90 degree triangle because it is always a right angle triangle. So suppose a theta is given, suppose one angle theta is given. Now maybe the perpendicular side is given, and you are asked to find this side and this side. You can easily calculate by using trigonometry, because if the angle is given and you have one of the sides, you can easily calculate any of the sides easily. How? The question is how you can find it easily. See, now you know sine theta. Yes, you have heard about sine theta. There is cos theta, there is tan theta. Another one is that then it is cosec theta, now sec theta and cot theta, right? Sec theta. Okay, now what is sine theta? Actually, sine theta is simple. Suppose I am taking suppose this is perpendicular side as it is. Suppose it is a hypotenuse, and suppose it is a base. Okay, now the question arises, how I am taking this. If the angle is given on this side, it would have been the base, it would have been the perpendicular side. But since the angle is given on this side, I have to take this one as my perpendicular side, and this one as my base, and this one as my hypotenuse will never change. Okay, now the question arises how to find out. Now simply sine theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by your hypotenuse. Easy. Now your cos theta becomes what? Cos theta becomes a what? Base by hypotenuse. As simple as that. Tan theta becomes what? Perpendicular by your base. Now cosec theta. Now what is cosec theta here? Cosec theta is simply the opposite of, is not opposite, it is a reciprocal of sine theta. Now it becomes a hypotenuse by perpendicular side. Sec theta has become your reciprocal of cos theta. It will be hypotenuse by base, and your cot is the reciprocal of your tan theta. Simple as that. It will be base by perpendicular side. Easy. Now the question arises, is there any relationship between them? Is tan theta related to cos theta? Yes. Is tan is related to sine or cos? Is sec is related? Yeah, as you know, the cosec is related to sine, and sine is, and there is some relationship between these two all. Now everything requires a tan theta. Because tan theta is equal to, I think, sine theta by cos theta. Now how? Suppose you have asked that it is given and you need to prove it. Yes, simple as that. Nothing. The perpendicular by hypotenuse it is divided by whom? It is divided by base by hypotenuse. As you know, when you divide, p by h is equal to h by b. So simple. Cancel it and it will be p by b. Now p by b is what? P by b is your tan theta. Is it proved? Right. Okay, I think there is a relationship between tan and your sine and cos, and since there is relationship between sine and cos, there is relationship between sec, cosec, and everything. So everything has a relationship, and this is very easy. Thank you class. I hope whatever I have taught, it is understood by you. Thank you.